What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? Just see that this staycation vlog is a flop. It did not even go the way I planned it to work. By the time my friend got back here from work, it was already late. It was dark to film. We didn't even have much to do. We just ate, we just slept, we were just gisting. It was so late. I was so tired. And this morning she has already gone to work. So this is me just telling you that the staycation vlog, it didn't work. Kaale work. It didn't work. But yeah, I'm going for their breakfast now. I'm just gonna go eat. Today is a good day actually because I'm helping one of should I reveal the gist? I'm going to see one of my fave. She's a influencer here in Toronto, and yeah, I want to go see her. We need to catch up. I met her at a networking event. I'm yet to post that networking event vlog, but I guess by the time this vlog is going up, you guys will see her. So we're going for a coffee date / create content date, whatever you want to call it. But yeah, that's I'm using this reading week effectively. So yes guys, I slept. I'm looking refreshed. Look at my face, it's glowing. This is called peace of mind and no assignment glue. But yeah guys, the hotel is giving what it needs to give. This is the kitchen area. Yes, it's cute guys. The bed is a mess. But yeah, this is what the bed looks like. It's a mess because I've slept on it. Yeah, it's just like a regular schmegler room. This is my luggage. This is my tripod. Yeah, it's just staycation is meant for sleep. That's my charger. And sleep, I slept. This is what the washroom looks like. It's just a regular washroom, like so. Yes. Yeah, guys. So let's go for the breakfast. Let's go see where breakfast is at, because a girl needs to eat before I can see road. Oh, I must still jump before I see road, unless my head will not be correct. Let's go.
A few moments later.
I left the hotel not too long ago and I came to pump some balloons because today I'll be doing the shoot for 10,000 subscribers. Currently I'm at 9,700. So to celebrate, I wanted to take pictures. So yeah, these are the balloons. I'll show you.
Hi, good morning.
Good morning. So these are the balloons. That was fast.
You need which string color you need? String. White, black.
You don't have gold?
Yeah, you can go with the gold. Will it work?
Yeah, gold. So. I'm heading to Toronto now for the shoot and to link up with, I don't want to tell you guys her name so you see her in the vlog, but yeah, I'm gonna link up with her. We're gonna have brunch, but then we're gonna shoot too as well. So yeah, I'm excited. cut to the shoot location. I'll carry you guys along. Guys, the studio looks so pretty. Yes. Wow, it's so pretty. It's giving minimalist. Guys, take a look at this space. What? Wow, so pretty. So pretty. Thank you for 10K, guys. I really appreciate you. I couldn't have done it without you. 10K, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up, what's up? Guys, so this is what the studio looks like. It is so pretty. It's giving minimalist Instagram baddie. And the light is coming from the window, which is perfect. Yeah, I'm just waiting for my friend A-Fave. I'm waiting for her to get here. She's almost here. She just texted me. So yeah, guys, I'm just thinking of the kind of content I want to create, what I want to do with this space. Do you guys like my dress? Do you like my makeup? Is it giving? Like, funny enough, I first of all started out with makeup, then I went to natural hair, and now I'm doing lifestyle. Anywhere money face, I go. Anywhere money face, I'm there. Guys, I don't know, I'm so excited, but yes, I'm doing my shoot for 10K subscribers thanks to you guys. Without you guys, I won't be here. So thank you for your support. I really, really do appreciate you guys. Yeah. Hi, look who's here, guys. Guys, I told you my fave was coming. Come on, it's giving.
It's me.
It's giving.
We're working today.
Yes, we're creating content.
Today we are creating content.
I love your minimalist look. Like, it's popping. It's. We need a video. We do.
Follow me on Instagram. I have videos of my makeup.
Okay. Her handle is gonna be here, right there, so you guys know what's. And then after, we might just do one or two things, but let's see how it goes. So guys, we've been shooting content. We're halfway done. It's a vibe. One thing I like is when you're a fellow creative, they just get it. It's not like dealing with like a normal person, right? A creative, someone that does content, already has an eye for what you want, so it's not stressful. It's just flowing, right? So we just took a break, getting this content. Yeah, guys, I love you. Thank you guys so much. I keep saying thank you, but thank you, because without you, I wouldn't be here.
Olivia's balloon got stuck, so she had to climb this thing.
This is why we don't show you guys.
Girl, come down slowly, please.
Please, Jesus, that was scary.
Okay, take.
Thank you.
Oh, this 10K.
You gotta
Subscribe.
Guys, we're just done with the shoot. It was a success. Like, there's nothing like having like your fellow creative assist you, because they just get it. Like, Alma got the vision,
and Olivia got the vision for me too. So we're pretty much done today.
Yes, we're done. We're gonna get like something to snack on, and that will be it. But I might show something else this week. I don't know. It'll turn up or something. A little gay, but a little, it's Canada. What's it called? What's the holiday?
Canada Day week, bro. This girl did not know that this was Canada Day weekend.
I did not know. Like, I'm still new to the country, so yeah, this Canada Day weekend. So we might go out. Let's see. Okay, no promises. Let's just see how it goes.
Girl, you know we're going out.
Oh shit!
I'm tripping. We're going out.
I might start this video with twerking. Just so you know. So guys, make sure you like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for supporting me. I won't be doing this shoot without you guys. You guys really came through, so Guys, I haven't gone out to the club in a long time, so I'm excited today. I want to get choo. I'm linking up with Alma. It's her friend's birthday, and I'm just gonna turn up and have a good time, okay? I'm already late, so yeah, I'm just wearing a two-piece, and I did my hair, have some fake nails. Let's go. Uber is here. Good evening.
Hello.
Hi.
Good morning.
You're a bad boy. You are a bad boy. You are a very bad boy.